In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can enable 2FA on Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to the top right, click on your profile, and then click on Manage Profile. After that, click on Security Settings, and then click on Manage beside the two-factor authentication or 2FA. A new tab will open and simply click on Setup 2FA. Now, Zendesk would ask you to select your preferred 2FA method, either an Authenticator app, your email, or an SMS. So, simply choose the method that you want to use. Let's say I'm going to use my email. Then click on Next. Now, type in the work email that you use. Then send the passcode. After that, you should open your email and check the passcode sent by Zendesk. So wait for a few seconds, type in your passcode, then next. After that, copy the recovery codes and click on done, which means those recovery codes is what you can use to sign in on your Zendesk account and would enable the two-factor authentication. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.